Oops. Good day mga kapars! So I am Trajame Praiso from Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Set A. And today, as part of my performance task in my major TLE 111 or in my subject Industrial Arts, I am going to recite at least 10 tools and or with equipments with their functions or uses in carpentry. But before that, to make this task more challenging, I am going to blindfold my eyes, like this. Alright, so let's start. Number 1. A flat bar. A flat bar is a type of prying tools that is made of flattened, slightly flexible steel. This tool is useful for a variety of prying and demolition jobs. Both ends can be used for pulling nails. Number 2. A cat's paw. A cat's paw has a sharpened claw for removing stubborn nails. Use a hammer to drive the claw into the wood under the nail head. Then lever the tool to pull up the nail. Number 3. Plumb bobs. Plumb bobs is a simple yet extremely precise tool used to establish a line that is plumb or exactly vertical. Plumb bobs are commonly used to find marking points to position a saw plate when building a wall. Number 4. Levels. Levels are essential to virtually every carpentry project. They help you build walls that are perfectly vertical or plumb, shelves, countertops, and the steps that are level and roofs that incline a correct and consistent pitch. Number 5. Framing square. Framing square is commonly used to mark right angles on sheet goods and other large surfaces, but it can also be used to establish other angles by using different measurements along the body or the long arm and the tang or the short arm. Number 6. A wallboard T-square. A wallboard T-square simplifies the task of making and cutting straight lines on sheets of wallboard. It is also handy for making cutting lines on plywood and sheet goods. Number 7. A crosscut saw. A crosscut saw comes in handy for single cut projects or in confined spaces where power tools won't fit. At the end of a cut, saw slowly and support waste material with your free hand to prevent splintering. Number 8. A hacksaw. A hacksaw has a flexible, fine-tooth blade designed to cut metal. Carpenters used hacksaws to cut plumbing pipe or to cut away stubborn metal fasteners. To avoid breaking the blade, stretch the blade tight in the hacksaw frame before cutting. Number 9. Sledgehammer. Used to demolish wall framing and to drive spikes and stakes. Number 10. Cold chisels. Cold chisel is made of solid steel and is used for cutting through metal. So those are the 10 tools that are used in carpentry. So once again, I am Toshimi Preiso from Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Set A. Thank you.